Hello dear traders, welcome to the weekly review of SabioTrade Wave Rider signals. This week we closed around 10 trades, 9 of them were profitable and 1 was closed at a loss. Currently on this account we have 3 open trades on the Australian dollar. Of course we were not able to close them when the signal came, it was late at night, so we're still holding them. Let's switch now to the platform from where we get the signals and analyze each currency pair and all the trades in the details. And we start from the first currency pair. This is the Australian dollar against the US dollar. We are on an hourly time frame. With a gray rectangle we highlighted the area of the previous trading week, and each vertical line separates one trading day. Let's start from the first bunch of trades we closed on Monday. These were 7 trades that we were holding over, I think, 3 previous weeks, and finally we closed them. We started building this chain of grids at the end of June, and we were getting more and more selling trades because the market was growing with no sufficient corrections, and finally we got this correction and closed all our trades with profit. So now we are able both to buy and sell in smaller volatility range, which gives us opportunity to make more trades and obviously more money. Let's switch to the 15-minute time frame and check all the trades we performed in the details. So the first trade we made was a buying trade immediately after we closed the selling trades we were holding for the last weeks. Then we averaged this trade and closed all the trades with a profit on the subsequent correction. Also, you can see that we are in this kind of a local uptrend, and if we build a trading channel, you'll see that in the lower part we were mostly buying and in the upper part we were mostly selling. Now let's check all the trades in the details. So after we got these 2 buying trades and closed them with a profit on this news release, we started selling and we closed this selling trade on Tuesday with a profit, and immediately after this trade was closed, actually we approached the previous local low or the point where this upward movement started, so we decided to buy. After we bought and closed this trade with a profit near the previous local resistance level, considering that this resistance was not broken, we were not selling, we were waiting for the market to go down, and here we made another buying trades, and then we closed this trade with a profit, and after this previous local high was broken, we actually started selling. Then we gained another selling trade at the top, and then another selling trade, and open and closed all the trades with a profit. Actually, this was the moment where we missed the trades because it happened during the night time in our time zone, so that's why we are still holding a bunch of selling trades. But considering that the global direction is the same, so we have the selling trade according to the original signals, this is okay. So we need to wait for the market to develop in this local downward movement, and we're going to close the trades when they approach the prices of the previous trades closure. Anyway, I'll let you know when I close these trades on my account, so all of you who are still holding these 3 selling trades will be able to close them with profit together with me. Then let's check the daily time frame. We can see that we are in a global uptrend. The situation didn't change. We are moving towards the new local highs. So let's see how the price develops, but I suppose that after we reach this kind of a local resistance level, we're gonna see a deeper correction, which will allow us to close all our selling trades with a profit. The profit of this week amounted to $62. Let's switch to the next currency pair. This is the British pound against the US dollar. As you can see, the price continues to develop in this downward movement. We can see that the price successfully broke through the previous local support. That was quite strong considering that we were trying to break it for a couple of times, and now we're heading to the previous local support a couple of 100 pips above. So we can see that we made only 1 buying trade that was actually closed on Wednesday, and on Friday evening we opened another buying trade, and according to our main scenario, I mean the price decrease, we'll be able to open a couple of buying trades till the price reaches this support level and start correcting upwards. Let's switch to the 15-minute time frame and check all our trades in the details. So on Monday, as you can see, we got new local low and local highs, and when we approached this previous day low on Tuesday, we opened a buying trade and closed it successfully on Wednesday. And then on Friday, when we broke through the previous local lows, we opened a buying trade that we are still holding. The profit is 650 cents, and on a global time frame, you can see that British pound started to falling down quite aggressively because we had almost 6 falling days in a row. So we can see this global uptrend, but who knows, maybe this kind of correction will change the entire trend. But to be sure, we need to wait for the price to break at least these local lows. So currently we have one open buying trade, and we're waiting for the price to fall down to open new buying trades and close all of the trades on the subsequent correction. I hope all of you made some profit this week. Stay tuned and see you in the next video review.